So Boston Stone Restoration is a full-service restoration company. We repair, restore, and clean all types of natural stone and ceramic tile as well. Most common problems are etching and scratching to marble surfaces. We come in and we diamond hone and we restore. Boston Stone Restoration has the exclusive for several coatings, proprietary coatings, that we can apply to marble surfaces, primarily countertops, bar tops, vanity tops, that comes with a manufacturer's warranty guaranteeing that there'll be no etching or staining on the marble for 10 years. A lot of homeowners in particular are not even aware that our service exists. So I get calls all the time from folks who say, you know, we're this close to ripping it out, but we just wanted to give it a try and talk to you. And they had no idea that I could come in, spend a day, and make the thing look good as new. So on our website, we have a nice gallery of jobs that we've accomplished, jobs that we've completed. We've got a blog section where we talk about pertinent issues in the industry, frequently asked questions that come up on a variety of subjects. We encourage you to visit our website and check us out and give us a call if there's anything that we can do for you.